Hello from Slovenia again. Welcome to 2022 year here on my channel. I'm Fiona Art and I'm from Slovenia, for those who don't know me. And what best to do for my first pour in this year is reverse flower dip with flower shaped cup. This is this one, and I will pour my black on the canvas and tilt it, and I will be right back. Okay, my base is down and I will start with a little bit of black. I'm using Oxide black from Amsterdam, and my pearl white mixture for some lacing. I have video about how I mix my pearl white, so you can check if you are interested. And this is Pebeo Iridescent copper. And some pearl white again. Iridescent Precious Gold by Pebeo. And I will just repeat once, and then I will turn my cup and do it again. Black. Hope that it's not too much pearl white. And now I will spray my paper napkin with water. Just to soften it down. Don't need to do that if you think that you are more comfortable with the dry one or even with the plastic. You can choose your own way, but I like damped paper napkin. Okay, make sure that your pattern touches your napkin, but don't press this the way that you will smash all the paint underneath. Okay, so let's do that. Four corners. And the next four corners. We'll gather this and straight up. And I didn't do a perfect job with this one. And it's not as much lacing that I would love to, so I will add a little black and spin it out. Torch it once. Maybe I should even leave it, not spin it. But now it is what it is. Okay, I will say that I'm done. I think that it will be really nice when it will be dry because of all this gold and copper and pearl white. But I was thinking about something a little different, but now it is what it is. Let me take you down for a close-up. So here, here is a close-up, sorry. This will be copper and gold and pearl white. It will shimmer. Maybe I shouldn't spin it out, but I thought that there is a lot of paint and I want to spin it out a little bit, and maybe I should stop before. But It's just a matter of taste, you know. Maybe you like it like that. I like it kind of too, because I know that this will be gold and copperish and all this, and I think that it will look nice when it will be dry. So happy painting in the year 2022. Join me every day for some new videos if you are interested and you want to learn something about acrylic pouring. And see you on the next one. Bye.